In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord when it won't open, gets stuck on a gray screen, or keeps disconnecting. If Discord is acting up, the problem is often caused by background processes that didn't close properly or cached files that have become corrupted. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. Once Task Manager appears, look through the list of running apps and background processes for anything related to Discord. If you see Discord listed more than once, that's normal. Click each Discord process and choose End Task. This makes sure the app is fully closed before you try to fix it. If Discord is still hanging in the background, it can prevent the next steps from working properly. Next, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. In the box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. This will open a folder containing application data stored on your computer. Find the Discord folder there and delete it. This removes cached data and temporary files that may be causing Discord to freeze or fail during startup. After that, go back to the Run box again by pressing Windows key and R. This time type %localappdata%, then press Enter. When that folder opens, find the Discord folder there as well and delete it. Clearing both of these locations is important because Discord stores different types of temporary data in each one. Once both folders are removed, restart Discord. In many cases, it will open normally again and create fresh, clean files automatically. If Discord still doesn't work after this, repeating the process carefully can help make sure no leftover process or cache folder was missed.